kind of. Look at this cake. My cake for this year. Aloy, siya may? It has something like ube.
There's ube in this cake.
It's not really ube. It's like... Aloy, may ka? Is it good? Aloy. Better.
Lagi ko sa loob na muna ito pa.
Masarap, masarap. It's like this. What is this? Parang ano ba? Parang red bean. Aloy. This weather. Ayan. Mag-change pool daw sila. Change swimming pool. Ate Fe, what can you say? ไปไหน ดีนี่ Fe, ไปไหน Yes. Dali. Look at this weather. Oh, it's deeper.
You drama, mama. Drama, alone.
Hey! Yeah. Go to the water. Oh, swim.
Ate, Fefe, how about swimming from there to here?
Hey! Do like this nga. Hey, hey. Hey.
Hello. 1, 2, 3.
No, your hair. Okay. Put your hair. Like that. And then.
Oh, that one.
Ayun si ate. Whoop! Yun! Ay, doon sa ano, dyan. Deeper, anak, deeper.
Mommy, look. This shallow.
One more.
Ate!
Yeah, I found it.
Huh? Ay, ito din na clip.
Oh, yes, I remember. I knew it! I tried it back.
How is it? How is it?
He said I've used protection.
Is it? How's it?
Where did you get it, Daddy?
Huh?
Oh, from the fridge.
From the fridge.
You! We're playing.
Hello!
Hi! Ah, started.
Tuloy! Tuloy ang laban. Yan, nabasa na tuloy kayo. Naulan kasi. Ayan. Tuloy ang laban sa nagtag-ulan. So, here's ang peg. Nag-iihaw sana kami. Papapalitan namin yan. And then, here's our food. At yan ang mga yan. Wow! May thunderstorm pa. Mga buwis buhay na pagsiswimming ng mga bata. So,
Wait, what?
buwis buhay.
What's that mean? Street light?
Life-threatening.
Ah. That's the opposite of what I said.
Ha?
Kita-kita ni.
Why are you there? Why are you there?
How many seconds balancing, ate?
What?
How many seconds?
Oh, I didn't count. I was just like,
Ito ang sinasabi nating night swimming. Night threatening swimming.
Mommy, take a picture of me.
Yeah, I am.
No! 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 No!
O gayon. Look at Daddy, oh. Daddy's magic goggles.
Mommy, I'm gonna send this picture to my friend. Take a picture.
Really? O, sige.
Wait, hold this stuff.
O, Daddy, picture daw ito for her friends. Okay.
Picture dah, picture dah. Mami, picture. Picture.
Hey! I was standing on there for a very long time. I was very happy I stayed more than 5 seconds.
Ate, you might bump your head, ha?
Hello guys, good morning again. It's breakfast time. Let's see. That's their breakfast here.
Ate, if it is good, how many stars?
5 stars, of course.
Again?
5 stars.
5 stars na.
I gave the swimming pool 3 stars.
What is a good breakfast ba?
Good breakfast. A lot of food.
Buffet, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, I think Grand Island.
Oh, nalak. This one. What's for breakfast? Ito na lang. Let's see. What do they have here? Wow. Eggs. Kauton. Okay.
You were right. There's only eggs in it.
Yeah. That's very good enough. Salad. And coffee. And then they have, you want some bread, toast.
You didn't bring the Ovaltine thing?
Hi. How do you make kauton?
I put
Hey, hurry.
vinegar.
Vinegar.
I put a while ago, so I should put a little. And then this one, garlic.
Garlic. Fried garlic.
It's yummy. And I don't like this one.
And then some
Soy sauce. Okay.
and pepper.
Pasta.
You want pepper? Where is the pepper? Pepper pig.
Where's this one?
Yes, pepper. Okay. And for ate, a lot of eggs.
And the papa.
And Feifei. Kanila ka?
Both like a lot.
That's one. So what do you think, Alexis?
My good.
Yum yum.
What do you- What do you think?
I think I will rate it when I'm finished.
Okay.
Why is it so far from me?
Wow, we have salad.
And mine.
And mine. And Feifei. And Kauton. And the Ovaltine, the Oishi pa. Ano ba yung Oishi?
Because I like it.
Okay. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Have breakfast, everyone. Hi, sir. Welcome. Oh, sorry.
Welcome.
How was your stay?
Good. Relaxing.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so we would like to invite you for next visit.
Yes.
Naka
Recommended.
recommended. Yay.
Makeup.
Okay, thank you Silaya Villa, Poo Villa. Bye. Hello. Dahil kami ay napunta sa Silinton at ang Silinton ay dumaan sa Pibon Mangsahan. So, papakita namin sa inyo ang specialty ng Pibon Mangsahan. Ano yan, ate?
Salapaw.
Salapaw. Isn't it the same as your, your cheeks? Salapaw cheeks? No? Wow. Okay. So, ito ang salapaw. Ayan, ang kong fak, sabi niya. Ayan, ang salapaw. So, ang salapaw namin ay may ito, pag orange na ano ito, parang asado o bola-bola. Hindi. Ito, pag orange, mudeng. Pag itong yellow, musap. It means ground pork inside na masarap. And then, ito naman, tuwadeng. I know, tuwadam. Black beans inside. Yes po. Later. Wait lang. Ayan.
Masarap
So,
na.
ayan. Masarap. Napaulit si ate eh. Ito ang specialty ng Pibon Mangsahan. Okay. Enjoy! Yes. Bili kayo. Enjoy! Ayan. Ito ang what is this? Black beans. Masarap dati ang musap. Aloy, May.
So,
Aloy, May ang musap. Wow, nakadalawa na si ate. Siya ate, maging salapaw din yung cheeks mo. Si Aloy. Ayan. Ito naman ang ating mudeng. Deng means red. Mu means pork. Kaso, hindi siya red pork. Orange man? Oh, orange. For bagi. Patikim nga. Ay, di ako.